Are you ready to dazzle your guests this New Year's Eve with show-stopping centerpiece ideas? Imagine creating elegant, budget-friendly, and unique table decorations that leave everyone in awe. Stick around because we're diving into the ultimate guide to crafting the perfect New Year's Eve centerpieces. How can I incorporate lighting into my New Year's Eve centerpiece? Lighting adds a magical element and sets the mood for your celebration. 1. Fairy light garlands. Wrap fairy lights around centerpieces or place them inside translucent containers for an enchanting effect. 2. LED candles. Use flameless LED candles for a safe, long-lasting glow that mimics real candlelight. 3. Projection globes. Add small light-up globes with star or confetti projections to create a playful ambiance. Want to see more creative ideas like this? Hit subscribe and never miss a video. How can I make my centerpiece reflect New Year's resolutions and goals? Tie your centerpiece to the spirit of New Year's by making it meaningful. 1. Wish tree. Use branches in a vase and provide tags for guests to write and hang their resolutions or wishes. 2. Quote cards. Display motivational quotes on small stands around the centerpiece to inspire your guests. 3. Memory jars. Place a jar on the table where guests can add their favorite memories or goals for the year ahead. Found a meaningful idea? Check the description for more similar videos and inspiration. What are some classic centerpiece ideas for a timeless New Year's Eve table? Classic centerpieces are all about timeless elegance and can easily elevate your New Year's Eve table. 1. Candles and glittering accents. Use an assortment of candles in varying heights combined with glittery accessories like confetti or metallic beads to create a warm and festive atmosphere. 2. Floral elegance. Opt for white or metallic-themed flowers like roses, hydrangeas, or lilies in a crystal vase for a sophisticated look. Number 3. Champagne bottle decor. Use empty champagne bottles as vases, or spray paint them gold or silver to add a celebratory touch. Love these classic ideas? Hit the like button and share this video with your party planning friends. What are some family-friendly centerpiece ideas? Ensure your centerpieces are safe and engaging for a family setting. 1. Candy jars and treats. Use clear jars filled with colorful candies or chocolates that double as decor and snacks. 2. DIY craft stations. Set up mini crafting stations as centerpieces where kids can decorate New Year's hats or noisemakers. 3. Board game themes. Incorporate pieces from family games like Scrabble or Jenga into your centerpiece for interactive fun. Don't forget to check out the description for products and materials featured in this video. What are trendy centerpiece themes for a modern New Year's Eve party? Trendy themes make your table decor stand out and keep it Instagram-worthy. 1. Monochrome magic. Stick to one color theme, such as gold, silver, or black, and layer different textures like matte, shiny, and glitter finishes. 2. Disco fever. Incorporate small disco balls, metallic streamers, and neon accents for a vibrant retro vibe. 3. Sustainability chic. Use eco-friendly materials like bamboo, dried flowers, or reusable glassware for a modern green-themed celebration. Planning your modern centerpiece? Save this video to your playlist for easy reference. What centerpiece ideas are perfect for small spaces? Maximize the impact of your decor even if you're working with limited space. 1. Tiered displays. Use a multi-tiered stand to display mini decorations like candles, ornaments, or snacks without taking up much table space. 2. Compact floral arrangements. Opt for petite arrangements in small vases or cups to keep things simple yet elegant. 3. Mirrored bases. Use a small mirror as a base for candles and decorative accents, making the table look more spacious. Check the description for more ideas tailored to small spaces and other settings. How can I create budget-friendly New Year's Eve centerpieces? You don't have to splurge to create stunning decorations. Here are some cost-effective options. 1. DIY glitter mason jars. Use mason jars, add glitter, and place fairy lights or tea candles inside for a magical glow. 2. Repurpose Christmas decorations. Reuse ornaments, tinsel, or garlands by arranging them in a bowl or around candle holders. 3. Paper crafts. Make your own table accents using metallic or black and gold paper for fans, stars, or mini banners. Got inspired? Drop a comment below with your favorite budget-friendly idea. We've explored everything from classic elegance to family-friendly fun and trendy themes to make your New Year's Eve centerpieces unforgettable. Now it's time to combine your favorite ideas and create a table setting that perfectly matches your celebration style. Let's make this New Year's Eve the most memorable one yet. Cheers to a sparkling 2024.